uh, DARPA, the military owns it and runs it. You can look it up. You can research it. They made it rain more than it should. And over there where that fire, big old fire happened and all these people were killed in. And I say murdered, but people don't use that word like they should, because that's what happened. But they can make it rain more than it should. They tried that during a hailstorm, and it hailed worse than it should have. And so they're not doing that again for now. But they know they can use hail, make it worse, and use it as a weapon to drop on you. Don't have to use actual bombs. They can just use hail. It's like dropping stones on you and boulders, big old rocks. But with DARPA, they can create rain clouds. They can create artificial rain. They can make it rain a bunch. And they've been doing that over there. They know it's going to make it worse. They know people's going to get sick and stuck, and then start getting sick, and then they're going to blame it on something else. Instead, because most people don't know that in those wet areas like that, all kinds of other diseases, not Ebola, not what they want you to believe, other diseases form. It gives, flesh-eating bacteria, all kinds of different diseases, and they'll call it something else, so you'll slap on a mask, but it's not contagious. It just, you catch it from the environment you're in, that was created. But you can look it up. Military owns DARPA. Military owns HARP. And you can look it up. Argue all you want that it ain't true, but that don't make you right. You don't have no proof to prove me wrong. Your mouth don't prove me wrong. You can look it up and I can prove you wrong. I can, try to give you the evidence, but YouTube deletes it immediately. This about DARPA, I didn't mention DARPA. I just said they can, in a comment section, they can make it rain more than it should. They can make it worse. They can control the weather. They can make it rain. If it ain't raining and they need to rain, they can spray stuff in the clouds that will make that water fall, and make it rain. It's a fact. You can look it up. Can the military control the weather? Does DARPA exist? You can ask these questions. You can find it, and they do exist.